First booth we're gonna check out today, ABC Van Hool. In Nashville 3 weeks ago at ABA, I didn't get a chance to interview anyone at ABC. Dennis and I just kind of checked out the bus ourselves. Everyone was kind of occupied, and I didn't really want to bug and bother people. I just didn't want to become a pest, so I kind of left the guys alone. They're probably making bus sales, and that's something you don't want to disrupt. But right now, I have Tom Peebles behind me, the Vice President of Marketing. Let's go check out what this 2024 Van Hool CX45 has to offer. What's up, Tom?
How you doing?
I'm sorry we didn't get to talk at ABC.
Hey, we're all busy.
Like I was telling people, the one thing I don't want to do with this camera is to disrupt a bus sale.
No,
right? That's your bread and butter.
Right, exactly. Then I won't be back.
Exactly.
So that's a good plan. That's a great plan, actually.
But this is the very bus that you guys had in Nashville.
Yeah, we're real excited. So this is one of our 24 models here. We did a lot of enhancements to this. We kind of use a very evolutionary approach to it. So you know, follow me.
Let's take a look. Yeah, and I see you got Starlink on board.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's been a really cool kind of program. Our good friend James Wang, you might know
Did
that
I
guy.
launch that?
Yeah, you helped us get that rolling, and we're real excited about it. But it's really cool. It's a unique offer. We've had a lot of interest in it.
Yeah.
And this is our CX45. A couple unique things about it. One, it has what we call a modified parcel rack here. So when you come in, the idea is to make it very open for your passengers as they enter it. So you kind of see it's opened up like this. Also gives us room for larger monitors in the very front. And then we do, of course, a straight parcel rack, open parcel rack, and then we do a full contour. Would actually, it kind of has these scouts, but it would continue down there as well too. And we like that. A lot of our customers like the ability to have some, some flexibility, but it really kind of creates a bit of a dramatic entrance. Obviously, with our color changing lights here, these are actually just adjusted there on the dash, so you can have any color you want. You're carrying a team, and I don't know, maybe it's NC State, then it might be red, or we might change it to blue if it's UNC. We recently did some other changes too. We've turned our lavatory to the side. It's kind of cool because we have a window in there, and don't worry, you can't see in it. That's the one thing we made sure. But it gives it a lot more room. So
I love the fact that the natural light can enter your restroom.
And the rear windows are now standard, and of course back here as well too. And we kind of, the thing we really like about it is it tends to your point, natural light, but it kind of opens it up. So it, the idea is let's make every seat a good seat. This particular one has our, our leather quilted seating, and we offer it obviously, in any version you would like.
Who makes your seats?
These are Keel seats.
Keel?
Yeah, we have a standard, both an all cloth, a leather insert, and then full leather as well too.
Definitely already see the new dash. Love the driver's area. How do you pronounce it? I always say Van Hool, but I love it. The correct way is Von
Hool.
Von Hool.
Yeah,
Von Hool.
Yeah.
Not Van Hool.
Yeah.
Von Hool.
Yeah. So Von Hool. Don't worry, we get it. Just
America.
Depends on how far south you are. It really will, and how far east or west. But yeah.
Oh, this is a radiator.
Yep. So
And this
our
comes
radiator
out.
swing out. Yeah. And it's
There's a lot of space in
there's
here.
a lot of space.
There's like
a lot of folks. I mean, if you get a perspective.
I can sit in here.
Yeah. I joke everybody. It's like, the work on the tractor trailers, they stand in the engine bay. Well, we're close. We added the E-fans right here. This is for the radiator. And then we have added the E-fans on the charge cooler on the other side as well.
And I have Brian Nelson, Chief Engineer, right? Is that your title?
Yeah.
Chief Engineer, ABC Companies. Always a pleasure to hang out with you. What's the purpose of making the headlights swing out like that?
Well, the purpose is serviceability. So anything that we can do to make operations easier on the technicians. You're able to swing this out, drop the bumper, pull the switch. You have access to the ballast, to the headlights, and to the daytime
Easy
running
in,
lights.
easy out.
Yep, that's it.
We just finished hanging out at the ABC Van Hool booth. I learned how to properly pronounce Van Hool.